Yeah, good day, guys. We'll be taking you on SketchUp and Kills video. This is our first lecture anyway. So let's go. You can see our SketchUp here. You can see other program like AutoCAD. Then after the SketchUp, we will jump into AutoCAD and see what we can do for that AutoCAD. It's been so long I use AutoCAD, but let's go into SketchUp. So this is SketchUp 2024. So we click on it. So I will advise you, this is what you will see immediately you click on your SketchUp. This is what you see. So we just go to this simple meters. Immediately you click to this simple meters. You just go here, click on it just once and it will open. You don't double click. When you double click, it will bring out to it will pop up twice. So it's better you just click once. So most of the time when you are first, this is escape. Okay. So let's close. You will only see this when you have escape. Escape is another plugin both for VRE, both it's just like VRE. It's another plugin both for ArchiCAD, Revit, and SketchUp. So you won't see this when you open your SketchUp if you don't have that escape as a plugin. So so immediately you log in, you may not really see this on your, you may not really see all this if this is your first time. You may not really see all this. So this is just the face. This is the face you see. You may not also see this. Let me tell you, if you don't see this, these are tools that you are going to use to work. This is SketchUp tools. These are SketchUp tools here. Then this is your VRE tool. We have other tools too in this VRE, but this is the most used and the other. So if you want to search for tools both for SketchUp and VRE, and maybe you didn't see any of this and you want to search for anyone you want to make, you just go to view and you see this toolbar, you click to this toolbar and you just go down and click to, you can see I also have Lumia here. So you go down and you just click to anyone you want, like this VRE utility, it is not here. Okay, I just click it, you can see it, it's a pop up, but I don't really want to make use of this VRE object. You can see it here, but if I don't want to make use of it, I just remove it, so my screen will be bold to use. This is VRE light, it's also important, so you just click it and let's leave it here. So other SketchUp, this thing are there. Whichever one you want to use and you don't see it here, you just go to there and you click on it. Then another thing is this. If you don't see this, you can see this in your window. Just go to window and go to here and you see it here. You can see it here. This is default where you can see it here. And you just click on it. When you click on it, you see this. So when you see it, you understand. If you want to hide it, you just go, you can see it, it's hidden, then you go back here and you say show, and it will show. So when it show, we have so many things on it. If you don't have any of them, maybe you want to make use of any of them, there are so many things you can also use it for. You go here and you just click on it. You click, these are the things that are on it that you can make use of. So you click on it. If you also want to rename it, you can also rename it. So this is it. In your SketchUp, we always use this tool, this rectangle, and also it has other, not only rectangle. When you come to this shape, we always use rectangle, but it has other shape like circle, polygon, and others, here. So you can make use of it. This is our push through. It's also important to make use of it. And also offset. It's also good to use for offset. With time you will learn all this. Move too, you can use it. Then the most tool we use here is this, and to move around your screen you use this pan. You move around, you just click to your right click, to your left click, and you just move around. Then when you click at the center of your it's when you can rotate your drawing back, front, left, move it and go around. So that's it. And this is it too. You can see it. You can move around. Immediately you click on this. Even if you click the left button, you move around it. You click the center, you move around it. You click left, that is when you can exit. But when you click on this, if you click on your left button, it's just to go right, center, back, go down and up. Then when you click on the center, you can now move around it. So with time you will learn all this and you'll be conversant with it. So this is also measurement. We use it to measure things. If you just want to get your measurement, you use it. You can see the measurement here. As I'm drawing this line, you can see the measurement at the down part. You can see it. So that's it. So whenever you click on this, you can always come here. This button here, this down button it is always an indicator for something. You see it. So that's it. Measurement level value. Okay. So this is select tool. Whenever you click on all this button, if you want to remove, you can go to escape, or you just come to this select tool, bring it back. So this is your color. This is what you pick. If you want to put in any color, and you go to the color here, you go to any of this color and make use of it. So there are so many other things. This is also delete. If you want to erase anything, you can come here and erase. This is your V-Ray tools. Here is where you can edit your material, like color and the rest. This is where you can bring in your object and the rest. And this is the render. Also, this is also render, but this render is when you are drawing and you just want to see what you are doing. You can just click on this, and if it's rendering, you just put it down and continue whatever you are doing. Then later you go back and see. It is called interactive rendering. So other tools are here. This extension is where you can see your plugin and other things, both with your SketchUp for materials, objects, and the rest. You can also see them here. So most of the time when you click on SketchUp, you always use your email to register all this, and you also use your email to register your V-Ray, so you can be able to make use of it. Well, we will teach you that whenever you are ready to start using your SketchUp. If you have problem in accessing this, we'll tell you what to do. So this is it. This rotates, this move to, that's it. What else are we gonna teach you? What else? What else? So with time, we know all this. So yeah, so we also have the pen. The pen is your line, You can use it to draw line, you know. When you click on it, you use it to draw line. You can see it. You use it to draw line. So after drawing the line, you can just go to this and you can point this. You can see it. So if you want to take this off, you have drawn this line and you want to take this off, you just go to this and you click to this and you can see what you are doing. You can see what you are doing here. So SketchUp is just basically like whatever you do, it can come up in 3D. You can also use this your circle, this, and just come here and you just draw your rectangle and you come to this place and you just push it up. You click on it and you come here. You push it up, you can see. So you can also use your circle, this circle here. So you come here, you draw your circle. You first of all go to your picture and you highlight it before you come here and pick it up. You can see it. So this is another shape, you go to it and you come here, you push it, you come here, you pick it first. It's highlight. When it's highlight, you will see it highlighting. You will see you will see that that changed the color. Then you just come here and pick it up. So these are 3D. You can see it. So there are other shapes too. Okay. Okay. You can draw any shape with it anywhere with your pencil. You get any shape you want. So if you want to erase this, you just go here and you can see you are erasing it. You can see it. So that's it. Whatever you want to erase, immediately you pick that erase. And if you want to offset this, you can come here and just come here. You offset. You can see you have offsetted it, so you can move it. You can see what you have done here. So this is what offset does. You can take it down too. So it just depends on what you want. So basically this is some of what you can do with these tools here. So I will show you other things with time. Show you how to make use of all this with time. Show you how to make use of this. These are little. So another way to delete this or select this, you can go here and click. If you don't want to select just this, if you want to select everything and delete it, maybe you can just come here and click here and select. You can see it has selected everything. But if you still want to select some few and you don't want to select everything, you can come here. Maybe you just want to select only this. You can come here and Right click. You can see it's also, it did not select everything. Let's say delete and see what it will delete. Erase. Okay, it's erase everything. You bring it back by Control Z. Then let's say you come here. Okay, you select. You can see it's selected just the top part, but these ones it did not touch. It did not select it. But if you want to delete everything, immediately you go like this and it will select everything, no matter what. Even if you have to touch only just a part of it, not everything, just a part of it. So you can see it. Delete, you erase. You can see it also deleted some things and the bottom is there. So immediately you come here and you click only this. Erase. Erase. You can see it. So this is it. Okay. So yeah, I've taught you this. So let's see how we can um, teach you how this move, rotates. I've taught you how this offset works and this push through. So this is also scale. Okay, teach you how this scale work and this measurement, this tape measure too. So let's start from. You can also do your arc. This is a 3-point arc. This is pi. This is arc 2. This is 2-point arc. So you can also use it to draw an arc too. So let's start from move. If you want to move these two now, let's say you want to move these two. If you click here and you touch here, you can't move these two because it is not a group. It is not an object yet. So you need to turn it to object. Let's say we have clicked on group and you click here. If you want to move it, you can see you click it. You see it is not moving. Rather you are moving, you are expanding the 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 thing you created here. And even you cannot expand it this way. Okay, you can move it. Okay, you see, you can move it this way. Okay, so you can see this is very hard to move. You see it. So you see it. So okay, this you can move, but this you cannot move it. Let's check this. You can move this. Okay, it seems I have turned this into group before. So this, you see, you cannot move it. You can move it. So if you want to move this, what you do is you just select it. You select everything. Let's select it. You select it and you make it a group. Select banding edges. Then you go back and you make it a group. Sometimes it may not show you that select banding agent, you just make it a group. Now you have made this a group. You can see it have selected as a group. So you want to move this now, it will be very easy for you to move. You just click your this, and you can move, and you can also rotate. You can also rotate it. But before now, you cannot rotate it and you can move it. When you try to move it or you rotate it, you can only move or reshape it. You know, it will reshape. But this also, you can move this. I think this you can move. Okay, let's see this. You can move this, but you can't move it from any other place except from here. Okay, let's say maybe you want to move this. You just make it as a group. Okay, make as a group. Now, you select everything. Make it as a group. You can see it has turned to group. So you make sure now you can also move it. No matter where you click, it can be moved. If you click here, it can be moved, and you can also rotate it. So this is it. So this is what you can do with your move, and this rotate too. It's also this rotate. You can rotate. So that's it. Can rotate it, you know. So this is what rotate do. Can also click here and turn it up, turn it the way you want, you know. So this is it. So this is what rotate do. We have taught you this scale too. Scale is when you click on it as a group, you can now scale it. You can increase the size, you know. So you just click here and increase the size, you know. You can also increase another, not really all the size, maybe just some parts. Immediately you just click here. If wherever you click will be increased. You see it. So that's it. So this is what scale do. Then another thing is we talk of this measurement, you know. Maybe this is what you use to measure your line. You know, if you want to draw, if you want your line to be measured or your object to be measured, this is what you use to do it. So this is what you use to do it. So another tool is the follow me tool. This is it. Follow me tool. I think let's say you see this and maybe it's always somehow you can use it for what do parapets, should we call it casework, parapet, or whatever. Maybe you want to design. So as we were saying, something happened with my computer. I really don't know what is that. So as we were saying, that of follow me. So let's get into business. Uh, Follow me to how to make use of it. Let's say we can use it for parapet, casework, staircase, rail, whatever thing that is solid, that you want to model, you can use it. Let's say maybe we want to model a ceiling parapet or a roof parapet. You have a model like this. Um, um, let's draw this model. Let's get let's get a triangle first. It's, let's get a triangle first. Maybe you just have a triangle first. Um, let's push it up. Then maybe you want to have let's go with maybe let's say we want to have With angle. Let's clean up this. Okay. Okay. Well, I want to draw this round here. I want to make it round, so I want it to go round. You can see how it has gone around. You can see how we modeled this round. So that this is another way you can use follow me. Let's say we have a staircase. Let's say we have um, mm, mm. You can see what follow me can do. You can see it have form a, you can see it. So this is what it can do. Let's go on again and do another aspect of it. Let's say we have something like this. well. Mhm. Mm, you can see what you can do. You can see what follow me can do. You can see it. So this is exactly what it can do. So with time we will see how we can make use of this in our drawing. These are what follow me tool can do. So like this one too. How we can get this too. How we can get this line now. Just click on this, highlight this line. You can follow me. And you just get the solid part of it. That's it. You can see it. You can see how it works. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood this. So in our next lecture, we go into drawing a plan. Maybe if you have a plan and you want to duplicate it with SketchUp, how to bring in your plan and duplicate it. Maybe do other things. Thank you so much, and I hope you understood this little. There are so many other things you can do with this follow me tools too. You can model or model solid things with it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.